Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Ecosport headlight, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Keep a clear workspace and lay out your tools: screwdrivers, socket set, trim removal tool, and the replacement bulb or assembly. Take photos of connector positions to aid reassembly. Work slowly and methodically, double-checking each step so the new headlight aligns and functions safely. Start by opening the hood and finding the rear of the headlight assembly, then remove any plastic retainers or screws holding it. Gently pull the assembly outward, supporting its weight and noting wiring clip locations. If clips resist, check for hidden fasteners. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the release tab and carefully remove the bulb or entire assembly, avoiding direct contact with bulb glass to prevent oils from shortening bulb life. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear, hands-on guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh scent in your car while you work on the headlight. It keeps the cabin pleasant and masks garage odors. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Compare the new headlight or bulb with the removed part to ensure a correct match. Then seat the new component into the housing and align mounting tabs. Reattach the wiring harness and fasten screws or retainers snugly without over-tightening to avoid cracking plastic. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test low beam, high beam, and any daytime running lights or indicators, adjusting aim if necessary so the beam pattern is safe and compliant.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.